Hello, my name is Kirk Strosahl, and I'm pleased to announce that in the spring of 2019, I'll be coming to Eindhoven, Netherlands to present a 2-day focused acceptance and commitment therapy training workshop, along with colleague Patricia Robinson.
Hi, I'm Patty Robinson. Along with Thomas Gustafson, Kirk and I have developed focused acceptance and commitment therapy. This is a psychotherapeutic approach that's helpful to people with medical problems and psychological problems.
FACT is a highly versatile treatment that can be employed in general counseling settings, as well as in general health care or in schools or jails. Really anywhere where brief interventions are the rule.
We will be teaching assessment, conceptualization, and intervention tools. We also hope to teach you a method for teaching fact forward to your colleagues when you go back to work.
Our workshop will be skill-based and will expose you to a variety of powerful intervention tools that you can use immediately after completing the workshop. I look forward to seeing you in Eindhoven on May 24th and 25th.